How come you're not getting what you truly desire? And what do you need to do to change that experience? I'm going to be talking about that on today's video. Ready? Let's go. Welcome back. My name is Dom and I help people to step into their truth and power. In this video today, I am going to be sharing with you why you may not be getting what you desire and what you need to do to change your experience so that you can get what you really want. And so today I'm really going to talk about the power of desire and why desire by itself doesn't actually get us the results that we really want to experience. Now, at the root of this is really understanding intention. So what is intention? Well, if you've been watching my videos, you know one of the things I love to do is to really look at the Latin root meanings of words. And so the Latin root of the word intention means straining or stretching purpose. So intention is our purpose. And there are two kinds: a straining of purpose, which just saying it feels contracting and negative. And then there's stretching of purpose, which feels much more expansive and positive. Now, I found this to be really fascinating because just as I have been sharing in my past two videos, I've talked about desire being a good thing and a bad thing. And I believe it's what's underneath the desire, our intention, that determines if we're going to be having a straining kind of experience or a stretching kind of experience. But either way, if we're going to have a straining or stretching experience, that insinuates that if I'm setting an intention, I'm going to have to be in action. I'm going to share this from personal experience. You see, once upon a time I had all the desire in the world to want to lose weight. I actually had that desire for the entire first half of my life. But the desire wasn't enough to really change anything for me. So you can have all the desire in the world for something, but that's not enough. It's not until we set a strong intention, which puts us into action, that things can really begin to shift and change. Is this making any sense? If you're relating to this, let me know just by typing "got it" in the comments below. Type "got it" in the comments below. That would really be helpful for me. So many of us have these experiences, these empty desires, because we don't set intentions, or we set intentions, but then we never follow through with any action. An intention isn't an intention without action. And without action, your intention becomes a wish. If you take nothing else from this video today, I want you to understand you are an amazingly powerful human being. You have the power within you to set a powerful intention and follow through living it out. You are a creator. We are all creators. We were born and put on this planet to create. And in that creation is where your power lives. Now, inside of that, I'm not suggesting for one moment this is easy. It almost always requires us to step outside of some comfort zones, to try something different than maybe we've done before. But this, as I shared before, intention in its Latin form means stretching purpose. So doesn't it make sense that we would have to step outside of some comfort zones and try some new things that we haven't tried before in order to bring our desires into reality? Now, beyond taking action, there is another level of this, and it's beyond the doing and the taking action, and that is being. Who are we actually being in all of our doing? And so when we're able to absorb into the moment more, the present moment, of just being, there is a higher level of awareness and a completely different kind of feeling that comes with that experience. And so there is a paradigm with desire that could actually be blocking you. And it's that when we desire something, we're feeling like we're in need of something. And when we're in that needy energy, we're never going to be able to attract what we truly want. We're going to attract actually the opposite. And at best, we'll attract nothing. This is because we're in the needy energy. It's an energy of lack and scarcity. It suggests that I don't have. And so let's look at this from a relationship standpoint. Are you or have you ever felt like you keep attracting the same kind of person or partner into your life over and over and over again? This is happening because of what I'm talking about here. You're desiring something new, but you're in this needy scarcity type of energy. And so you keep drawing in the same experience into your equation through your neediness. When we set an intention and get into action, we don't want to be in action trying to fill our neediness, because this is reaffirming that we don't have, and we're going to attract people just like us to us. I don't know about you, but the last thing I want is a relationship with a needy person. Personally, I find it extremely unappealing. I am really attracted to a person who stands in their confidence of who they are being and isn't afraid of stepping outside of their own comfort zone. It really captures my attention. It's important to understand that when you can surrender fulfilling that need that you have by looking outside of yourself and go inside yourself to fill it, to fill your own need, you're standing in your power and you're going to become really attractive to a different kind of person you've been attracting. Not another needy person, but the kind of powerful person you're truly desiring to be with. And so I'm curious, what are you taking away from this video today about desire? Share it in the comments below, because I really want to be able to continue to and support you on your journey moving forward. And if you're needing help with this and need some future support, I'm inviting you to reach out to me for a quick 20-minute phone call with me. If you need that one-on-one support or have some questions, it's completely free. Just click on the Speak with Dom link below that I dropped in the comments and description box. Lastly, if you found value in this video today, I invite you to pay it forward. Simply by sharing this video with your friends and family, you'll be helping another person to hear this or receive this information that they may need to know. And so I want to thank you for joining me today. And until I connect with you again for my next video, stay well, stay healthy, and stay empowered.